Duyên. Today I would like to represent a group to present our content for midterm tests. Let me start. Chocolate is food made from cocoa beans, the basic ingredient used in confectionery, ice cream, etc., and is one of the most popular flavor in the world. Chocolate appeared in World War One from 1914 to 1918. At that time, chocolate were packed into small packages as snack, but provided enough energy in the shadow liquid that made chocolate more popular. And by the 1900s, chocolate became one of the most wonderful things in the world. Surely you have been through this delicious food and love its taste, but have you ever wondered how the chocolate is produced? Check out this infographic that we are going to present below to better understanding about the chocolate production process. Overall, there are 6 main stages: reprocessing, grinding, mixer, evaporator, flavor processing, and prepping. First, a handful of cocoa beans is thoroughly screened and vacuum treated before the visual inspection. These cocoa beans are then roasted in heat and begin to smell. At the raw grinding stage, the cocoa beans are put into the grinder to separate the shells. After sifting the debris, the fan sucks up these remaining shell fragments while the kernel is broken down. During the wet grinding, the small pepper-like spice crushes the cocoa kernel into a brownish paste called liquid chocolate, also known as crushed cocoa beans. Next, the liquid chocolate mixture is pressed in giant presses to separate the cocoa butter. Now, to make milk chocolate, people mix liquid chocolate with sugar and milk. If making pure chocolate, cocoa butter is used to replace milk. After evaporation, the liquid chocolate turns back into small pieces, which are then crushed again. The roller, located above the moon, runs faster than the bottom roller to have the chocolate be crushed finer. The next step is adding additives. At this stage, the mixture is added and stirred. The chocolate is pitch thick now and has an unpleasant odor. But after the chocolate finished process, this scent disappears. By the tempering step, the chocolate is cooled to achieve a smooth and shiny finish. The liquid chocolate is poured into shaping mold and gently shaken to level the surface of the chocolate before being cooled. Finally, the packaging machine packs the chocolate into the foam. At this point, the chocolate has been carefully packaged by a wrapping machine and delivered to the store. Our presentation is complete. Thanks for watching.